Hi, welcome to this video. We're gonna guide you through how to export Apple Journal entries to PDF or text. To export Apple Journal entries, use the Settings app. Scroll a little bit down to pin down Journals. Gonna press Apps, search for Journal, go inside, scroll a little bit down to find Export All Journal Entries. So I'm gonna press it. Confirm that this is you, and double click to confirm that you want to export your journal entries. So I'm going to hit export, wait for a few moments, and now you can choose where you want to save it, like the location, and then hit save at the top right. Now if you want to save it as a PDF, because now we saved it as a zip file, right? Which means like we saved it as a text, right? If you want to save it individually, or if you want to save it as a PDF file, all you gotta do is go to the Journal app, right? And find the entry you want to export and tap the More option button, 3 dots, and hit Print. You can select a data range, like from 18th of February to 2024 to January 7th, 2026, and you can choose like the day range. But if you want all entries, you could just go ahead and select all entries. So let's say from February 20th, January 1st, and hit print. Wait for a few moments, right? And you can select save to files to save as a PDF. So hit the share icon next to options. Now they're gonna create a PDF. So now all I gotta do is just choose the location. Where do you want to save it? So basically, that's it. Consider liking this video, subscribing, it really helps with the channel. Until next time, see you.